Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be pranking someone again, and this time we're gonna be pranking my friend Anthony. I just met Anthony yesterday, you guys, so yeah, we went on this crazy trip to Valencia and everything, and we went to Sevilla. It was unexpected, but it was fun, and this dude is crazy, and it was fun hanging out with him. Aaron actually pranked him that Aaron had a kid and everything, and his reaction was priceless, so we decided that because his hometown is in Sevilla, you guys, and sorry for the noise, but just like there's a bus. So yeah, his hometown is in Sevilla, you guys, and we were there for about an hour or two because there was like a disco. It was more like a band thing and their gym right there. So we were staying there for like an hour or two, then we decided to go home afterwards. When we reached in Lobok, somewhere in Lobok, we decided that we're gonna prank him that I got into an accident. So I know this prank is kind of brutal, but yeah. We took some pictures. I'm gonna post the picture that we took up here or here right now. And I asked Aaron and my sister to chat him that I got into an accident, because obviously if I got into an accident I wouldn't be chatting him and everything. We're gonna see his reaction today, because we're gonna actually meet up with Anthony today. They are going to Brian's house today, I think. So we're gonna meet up with Anthony in Ace Hospital, because that's where they said I was admitted to. So hopefully we get a priceless reaction from him again. And also, sorry Anthony for pranking you. So peace. Don't hurt me. This guy's fault, you guys. So yeah. Right now I need to take a bath. My sister is still in the shower, and I'll see you guys when we're about to head out to Ace Hospital. Peace. So quick update, you guys. We're gonna meet Anthony at Ace Hospital around 2 p.m. So I just finished taking a bath, and the weather looks kind of sketchy today. It's gonna rain. I think it's gonna rain. It's already starting to drizzle. So anyway, I just finished chatting with Aaron, and he said 2 p.m. in Ace Hospital. So it's almost 2 p.m. We're gonna go out pretty soon. I'm finished taking a bath. I'm waiting for my sister. She's putting some makeup on. Light makeup, I think. I don't know what she's doing today, but I'm gonna eat some lunch a bit, because it's around, yeah, I didn't eat lunch yet, so I'm gonna eat lunch, go to Ace Hospital and do the prank. So see you guys when I get to the hospital. So right now we are just at this alleyway where behind Ace Hospital. I'm gonna show you Ace Hospital right now. That's Ace Hospital right there. So we're still waiting for Aaron and Anthony to come. So what did they say so far, My sister's embarrassed to be part of the camera. So yeah, I hope the prank is going well. Actually, Kim is actually falling for the prank right now. This is crazy. Right now we're just waiting for Aaron's text, because my sister's gonna go up there pretend.
He didn't say he's coming. I think he's driving.
Yeah, they're probably driving, because he said he was gonna drive all the way here now. So we're just gonna wait for a few minutes, you guys, and yeah, let's sneak up on Anthony. Hopefully this prank's gonna go well. And if you haven't already, guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button down below, guys, if you enjoyed this video so far. And yes, I'll see you when Anthony is here. So Aaron and Anthony's in the emergency room right now, so we're gonna go.
Wait, I'm gonna say, I was just gonna go and visit him, but I forgot something. Can you come with me?
Oh yeah. You go there, then bring them here, right? Or I'll walk there and then you drive the bike there. So guys, I don't know how it's gonna go down, but they're in the emergency room. So you drive all the way to the hospital, and then
where are you gonna wait?
I'll walk.
Just wait there, near the bike. I'm gonna park the bike, then you
near
the bike.
Pink na bike?
No, near this bike.
Sige. So I'm gonna walk to the hospital right now. They're probably there already. Let's go, you guys. I'm kind of excited for this. I don't know why. I don't know what's the reaction of Anthony. I don't know. I don't think he cares a lot, but let's just see if he's like shocked or it's just a prank. You know what I mean? Because we just literally hanged out yesterday. So yeah, I think he's gonna be mad a bit. But yeah, let's go. My sister just passed by. They're already inside. I don't know what's happening right now. That's my sister right there. She's just walking. My plan is just gonna bring, I'm gonna wait by the bike and she's gonna bring Aaron and Anthony around here, you guys. So, and see what's Anthony's reaction. I'll be just filming here. I'll be sitting down here.
Bruh.
That's Aaron right there, you guys. Anthony's not even there. Yo, there are a lot of people out there.
No, 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 no. Bruh.
Dude, like, I thought
What's up, bro?
bro, I was like, fucking wrong. I was like, dang it! Bro. Dude, it was so. I ran into your girlfriend today.
And what did she say?
I was like, bro, is David okay? And she's like, what are you talking about? I was like, you're in a car accident. She's like, I was like, did I show her the picture? And she started laughing. I was like, man, I feel stupid as hell. Like, I was like, yeah, I just met
So
this
guys,
dude.
this is Anthony, guys. We met him yesterday.
So,
So yeah, we just pranked him last night that I got into an accident. And
that's a mean prank, honestly.
Me and Cindy were both on it like, yo.
I didn't want to do it. He was like, yeah, do
I was
it.
so close last night when I saw that too. I was like, damn, this dude really got hurt. And I called you guys. I was like, damn, why do these? But answer.
so what's his name again?
G-Paul.
J-Paul and Jason. Nice meeting you again. So yeah, guys. Basically, that's the prank. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed the video.
Bruh.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And also subscribe to Aaron's channel. Link will be in the description down below. And see you in the next one. Peace.
A few moments later.
See you guys.
My guy needs it. Look.
Clickbait right now. Yo, bro. Clickbait. Okay, prank gone wrong right here. What the hell happened to you guys?
It's actually really
He fucking dropped for like 2 seconds, dude.
How fast are you driving?
Dude, no, I wasn't that fast. It was like here. I jumped the stick out of here. Because we're all fucking waiting.
Oh, Steve.
You alright, bro?
Yeah, I'm straight.
Oh shit, it's on your face.
Oh, you guys. I knew it. I should have drove. Now I feel bad. Actually, I feel so bad right now.
What I'm gonna say to my grandpa? That bitch is dead. Oh my god. No. We went boxing.
That.
Because that's where it usually happens.
I wish I got in a fight.
Yeah. Call me buddy, I'll make it work.
No, just say we went to the Ninja Warrior and you fell or something.
Yeah.
Dude, you too, you went to Ninja Warrior and you also went to the Ninja Warrior.
I said may mga nadamak.
He's so hyped.
Bro, dude, honestly,
Lugad mo gugod.
you know all you need is him, bro.
Oh.
He's the one. You're the Dagat.
Dagat, let's go Dagat.
What am I gonna say?
Tanggal mo, wala na, makras dali. Ikaw mag-live dito makras. And we went to hang out for the Ninja Warrior and we got injured. After the party.
Yo, bro, what? I should have drove.
So like the prank actually switched.
I know, right? No more crash pranks, guys. That's just. You know, bro, last time we pranked Aaron.
Nope.
Maybe we were pranking that Aaron crashed. He actually crashed the next day.
Why would you guys do this to me?
We didn't know this.
Bro, nagaligo tunaan.
This is funny. It's not funny.
Mommy, Daddy. I'm sorry.
Now I know why they don't let you drive the bike.
First
Shit.
time he drives the bike and now he does this.
Ito yung spot. Ma'am! Kursada, sa kandagan ko.
Wala yung tagtubig.
Anthony is kind of looking for clothes right now. So yeah, we are here at the thrift shop somewhere down just Sizzling. And yeah, we're kind of looking for shorts and t-shirts for them to change. Right here. And they have shorts over there as well. For 20 pesos. Where are these? These are girls. Asa panglaki ni siya?
Nay, haloan.
It's mixed.
Halo na siya mga babae.
Alright guys, we're gonna buy some clothes. Wait for Aaron and we're gonna go to Panglao and spend the night there in the beach. Peace. Man. Did you guys have adrenaline rush or something?
Honestly, after
Hindi ko
like,
ito, kumambang to, promise.
after we got up, I fucking thought I was like, oh shit, I'm juiced. But then after like, he was like this, walking like this. Holding his knees.
If that was me, I'll probably shake. You know, I'll be shaking.
Honestly, I'm like, I feel like I'm taking care of this. Like I should be shocked, like hella shocked right now.
Yeah.
I'm just chilling.
Guys, so it's finally the end of the video. But before I end, let me just explain what happened. So, Anthony and his cousins crashed right after we left the hospital because they hit a puddle and they slipped. That's what they said. But they weren't going fast, so as you can see, they only had scratches and everything. Thank God for that. And yes, basically that's what happened. And we were supposed to leave going to Panglao, and yeah, unfortunately, the prank turned real, but it didn't happen to me. It happened to Anthony. So yes, yeah, guys. So that's it for this video. And if you like this video, you guys, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and go subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. And comment down below what prank you want to see next, you guys. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.